Good morning, guys. Unfortunately, we were driving our Mini yesterday and noticed that it had what sounded like a wheel bearing issue. Sounded like it's kind of going out. So what we're going to do now is get this thing up in the air. We're going to take off the center cap here. I'm going to loosen the lugs, and then we're going to lift the car up in the air and remove the wheel, and then we'll start spinning around the hub and see if we can duplicate the noise that we heard. Hopefully it's not. Maybe there's just something else that's loose, but we will find out. So first I'm gonna take my Allen wrench here and undo the center cap. Center cap is loose and I'm pulling it off now. Boom. And then I'm gonna get my breaker bar and start to loosen the lug nuts. Nuts are now loosened, so I'm going to jack the car up with my floor jack here. Make sure you find a nice solid spot on the frame. So let's get this bad boy up in the air. He is in the air, and we also have a jack stand down there too to keep us as safe as we can. So let's remove the remaining lug nuts, and then we'll see what the culprit is down here. Looks like I dodged a bullet. When I got the wheel off, I looked right in, and this stabilizer arm is just flopping around. It's supposed to connect right here to the strut. It goes down here, connects right there to the sway bar. That should be a pretty easy part to replace. It's only going to take me a couple minutes. I'll just walk over to the shelf and get one. If you guys need one, give us a message or go to OEMPartHaus.com and we will get you sorted. But luckily, I don't have to replace the hub, so that is a good thing. Hopefully, next time you guys have a mystery ailment on your car, it turns out to be something easy like this. Anyway, you guys take it easy. Have a good one.